What is going on, family? Cribs here. How are my bearded barbecue beasts doing today? My bearded barbecue brothers doing today, and sisters. Today's video, it's about Christmas time. And you know, for me, Christmas ain't about turkey and ain't about ham, even though some people may, but for me, it's about Jesus. It's about joy, peace, love, family, getting together, and prime rib. Yes, prime rib. So this video right here is a recipe and a culmination of about 3 or 4 other channels that I've watched. And I've been working on this recipe for a while, but that's what this video is about. It produces such a great crispy crust on the outside, very flavorful, seasoned well, and the inside is absolutely tender, juicy, perfect medium rare. So if you have a beard, if you love barbecue, if you love smoking meats, subscribe to the channel. Become part of the Swag Nation family. Come on, family. Anyways, enjoy the intro. And I did just do a fresh trim on my beard. I took about, I'd say 3 inches off. It was real wispy and I didn't like it. Really transparent. But anyways, that's not what this is about. It's about prime rib. The flavor bomb prime rib. Enjoy the intro. Enjoy the cook. Leave me a comment. If you need something, if I didn't go over something good enough, let me know. Enjoy. Hope everybody is doing amazing. What I've got here is Nikki and I are craving a prime rib. And we went to Spokane to a Black Angus, I think is what it was called, and it wasn't that good. So I've been watching videos. I've been working on a recipe that I really wanted to try out, kind of implementing 3 or 4 different recipes together. So what I went and did is I went to Walmart and I grabbed me, this is a 6-pound, so you probably got about 4 servings. And right now I'm going to dry brine it. I've let it sit for probably an hour and a half so far. I'm going to let it go for another 2.5, 3 hours, just so it will pull all of the moisture out and then absorb all of the flavor in it. The only thing I've used was some coarse sea salt, a lot of it, and the holy cow has a lot of pepper in it, and that's what I want to go for. So I want that to absorb inside of the meat. So that's what this is going to be. Plus, I want to practice before Christmas to see how this will turn out. So that's what we're going to do today. Short little video on dry brining a prime rib and the recipe that I use and what I'm going to go with. So I'll see you in just a second after. It'll be about 3 hours for me, but only a few seconds for you. I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, the prime rib has been sitting for about 3.5 hours, dry brining, and now the next step is bring it inside. You can see I got the 3 strings on it. That's just to hold everything in shape so it doesn't kind of fan out, just to get a really good cut when this is all done. Next thing I'm going to do is hit it with a Better Than Bouillon. It's a beef paste. And I plan on putting this all over the top of it. So it basically will get a good salty. It'll add to the saltiness of the prime rib, but it'll also, with the temperature, which you'll see, make a really good crust on the outside. So I'm going to get this prime rib smothered with a Better Than Bouillon, the beef based, and I'll see you in just a second. Now that the prime rib is encased, I guess you could say, in the beef paste. Now I'm going to put on some oregano, some sage, parsley flakes, some minced onions, and some Ben's heifer dust. So first of all, I'm going to put on the Ben's heifer dust, get a good coat on the outside of it, and then we will basically, when I get this all done, I'm going to go ahead and get the Recteq rocking and rolling, and I will see you out at the Recteq when it's all done. Okay, we're here at the Recteq RT1250. I've got the temperature set at 300 degrees. Primer is on. I've got it measured halfway through with the probe. And then I've also decided to do some baked potatoes. I'm going to do some twice baked potatoes. What I did was rub them with olive oil. I like to use the Elk Creek grill and garlic jalapeno. It's an amazing flavor for the shell because I like to eat the shells. So we're going to let this go. I would probably say as soon as the temperature in the middle hits 120 degrees, I'm going to pull it off, let it rest for about 15 minutes, covered in tinfoil, and then it should be a perfect medium rare. I'll see you back when it's done. Okay, guys, we're at 120 internal temp. Look at that. We got the potatoes rocking and rolling. Perfect. We got the prime rib rocking and rolling. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and pull that out. Ooh, I'm going to have to take this off so you can actually see this beautiful crusted, oh my Lord, sizzling beauty. So we're going to go put it in, let it rest for about 15 minutes. Get those potatoes twice baked. I said I wasn't going to tell you about them, but those are too good. Anyways, here we go, y'all. We'll see you inside.
Oh my God!
Okay, guys, we're back. Now, I just wanted to let you know that we are here. It has been sitting for 15 minutes after I pulled it off at 120. And we are now at 133. I got a couple of different kinds of horseradish, but that doesn't matter. Let's slice into this bad boy. Man, the crust is delicious. So crispy. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut right down the middle.
Look at that.
Perfect, medium rare. Juicy. Oh, my Lord. So I've got a couple of strings I need to find and cut off, but I just wanted you to see how amazing that is and the crust that's falling off. Amazing. Super flavorful. And that's what you want. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the strings off of here. I got 3 of them. But anyways, I just wanted to show you what we do here. My new recipe. It's going to be amazing. Feed the family. And anyways, God bless. I love you. I'm proud of you. Cribs is out.